In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Google Drive cache. This is a quick way to fix glitches like files not loading, previews getting stuck, or Drive feeling unusually slow. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete any of your files in the cloud. It only removes temporary data stored in your browser, so Drive can rebuild a fresh set. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use with Drive. If you use multiple accounts, glance at your profile picture in the top right to confirm you're in the right one. Next, look to the top right of the Google homepage for the grid icon, the Google Apps menu. It looks like a small square made up of 9 dots. Click that to open the panel of Google services. From this panel, choose Drive. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the panel or select View All to expand the list. Clicking Drive will open your Google Drive homepage. Once you're in Drive, look toward the top of the page for the slider-style icon, often called Quick Settings. It resembles 3 small adjustment sliders. Click that to open a side panel with key options. In this panel, select Settings to open the full Drive settings window. This is where we can access the data and permissions area that controls cached items. Inside Settings, find and click More Settings and Permissions. This section includes controls for local data that Drive stores to speed things up. Here, look for the option labeled Delete Data. Clicking Delete Data will remove cached files and other temporary information. Drive keeps in your browser for performance. When you click Delete Data, a confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Read the message so you know what will be cleared, and then click Delete to confirm. The process typically takes just a moment. Drive may refresh automatically, and the next time it loads, it may take a little longer than usual as it rebuilds fresh cache. That's normal and usually results in smoother performance afterward. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. This does not remove any files from your Google Drive storage. Your documents, photos, and shared items remain exactly where they are. If you've enabled offline mode, some offline files may need to re-download, so give Drive a minute to resync. If something still looks off after clearing the cache, try refreshing the page or briefly signing out and back into your account. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Google Drive cache and given your browser a fresh start with Drive.